Hi everyone. Welcome back to Coco Senor. If you forgot your iPhone password and cannot use or access the iPhone screen, don't worry. In this video, I will help you unlock your iPhone without a password. Now, let's get started. Way 1. Use the Forgot Passcode option. For the iPhone, your device must be running iOS 17 or later. If you forget your password and enter it incorrectly multiple times on the iPhone, a Forgot Passcode option will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can select this option to start the iPhone reset process. The system will then prompt you to enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Click Erase iPhone to confirm the reset. After completing the reset process, your iPhone will be reset, and you can set it up as a new device or restore data from iCloud backup. Way 2. Use iTunes or Finder to restore iPhone. If you cannot see the Forgot Passcode option due to an outdated iPhone version or network issues, don't worry, iTunes or Finder can assist you. First, connect the iPhone to a computer. Then press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the iPhone enters recovery mode. Next, open your iTunes or Finder. The system will then prompt you to choose Restore or Update. If you do not want to upgrade the system, it is recommended to select Restore. However, note that both options will erase data on the iPhone, may be slow, and have a risk of errors. So use this method with caution. Way 3. Reset iPhone using iPhone Passcode Tuner. I highly recommend Coco Senor iPhone Passcode Tuner to unlock your iPhone. It is easy to use and compatible with most iPhones. You can find the download link for it in the video description. Open Coco Senor iPhone Passcode Tuner and select Unlock Lock Screen. Then click the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer and put it into recovery mode. Next, click the Next button and the software will automatically detect the firmware required for your device. Click Download and patiently wait for the firmware to finish downloading. Then click Unlock to begin the removal process. This process takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient. Once the removal process is complete, your device is returned to normal and you can set it up again. These ways can help you unlock your iPhone. Please note that all ways will erase the data on your iPhone. If you haven't backed up, you may lose data. Okay, it's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.